Hey everyone, welcome to Market Psychology 101, where we look for value in the markets when there's fear and are cautious when there's greed. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the total USDT dominance. This is the Tether dominance. Tether always retaining its value of about $1. So you retain your Satoshis when you rotate into Tether during more volatile times. And what we see here is that Tether on the daily is in this downtrend. If we draw this little trend line here, you can see that Tether could come down as low as the 3.5 upper 3% area. Now, if we turn on our moving averages, we're using the EMA 20, 50, 100, 200. You can see it is bearish on the daily time frame, and going over to the weekly, you'll also notice that Tether, it did get rejected off that 100-week moving average. And so really coming back down here to the 3.7% area, that could be an area to watch for. If Bitcoin keeps going up, this Tether dominance, when it hits these lower trend lines, that does tend to signal when we have local tops in the market. So we can see here that looking at these other areas, we had the local top back in January, of course, Tether dominance drop there. And then, of course, March of 2024, we had a local top as well. Now, going over to our indicators, one that we have to keep an eye on is our RSI, our relative strength index. And as you can see here, with our RSI, relative strength index, there is a little bit of bullish divergence here. You can see higher strengths, higher peaks, but we also are getting lower on the chart as well. So I am looking to see Tether, at least down here on the RSI, is it going to form a higher low, or could it possibly break that uptrend that is showing bullish divergence? But divergence, whether bullish or bearish, can take a while to play out. So even if it does still ultimately show bullish divergence, I think that can still give us enough time to have a cycle top in alt season. You know, maybe we see Bitcoin have that Q4 top, or maybe it tops earlier, you never know. But I would pair the RSI with Tether dominance and look at the weekly time frame just to keep an eye on where those potential tops in the market might be for Bitcoin.